Pingree house right here. So as we come by, I know not all of you can gather around, but this building, as I had said, is what had the second highest tax bill in Salem when it was built. And it is a wonderful example of the work of Mr. Samuel McIntyre, who was the designer here in Salem. So if you were anybody and you had enough money, you wanted your house and hopefully the interior done by Mr. McIntyre. Mr. McIntyre would do everything. He would design the house itself, he would design the interior woodwork, he could carve it in his workshop or apply paste ornaments to it, and then he would also make you a suite of furniture that would harmoniously fit into the entire interior as well. So he would make benches and chairs, tables and such like things, sofas as well, that would fit into his home, into these homes. And we have many examples here in Salem of Mr. McIntyre's work. Of his private commissions have survived, a great deal of them, but unfortunately his public commissions have rarely survived. Down at the end of Essex Street, on what we now call Townhouse Square, was a wonderful ballroom called Washington Hall that we used to dance in. You remember dancing over there. And that was actually, there was also Hamilton Hall here in Salem, which does still stand with its wonderful sprung dance floor. And then he also designed several churches in town, but unfortunately none of them have survived. So these are really all we have left of really what his genius was, or these private homes that we had. So now what we're going to do is we're going to actually walk over to the Salem Common and see how that's changed over the years.